The 2025 Lincoln Aviator is a luxury midsize SUV that combines elegant design, advanced technology, and powerful performance. With its refined styling and premium materials, the Aviator offers a sophisticated presence on the road. The bold front grille, signature LED lighting, and sleek body lines give it a distinctive look that exudes class. Available in multiple trims, including the high-end Black Label Edition, the Aviator caters to those who seek both comfort and performance. Its aerodynamic design enhances fuel efficiency while maintaining a strong and confident stance. Under the hood, the 2025 Lincoln Aviator comes with a standard twin-turbocharged V6 engine that delivers impressive power and smooth acceleration. For those looking for even more efficiency and performance, a plug-in hybrid Grand Touring variant is available, combining electric power with the gasoline engine for an enhanced driving experience. The 10-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, contributing to a refined and responsive ride. With available all-wheel drive, the Aviator offers improved traction and stability, making it a great choice for various road conditions and weather scenarios. Inside, the cabin is crafted with high-end materials and thoughtful design elements. Soft leather seats, genuine wood accents, and ambient lighting create a luxurious atmosphere. The spacious 3-row seating configuration ensures that passengers in all rows enjoy comfort and convenience. Heated and ventilated seats, along with massaging front seats, enhance the overall driving experience. The panoramic sunroof adds an open and airy feel to the cabin, giving occupants a more enjoyable ride. Technology is a highlight in the 2025 Lincoln Aviator, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system with intuitive controls. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. The premium Revel audio system provides an immersive sound experience, making long drives more enjoyable. A digital instrument cluster and a head-up display keep important information easily accessible to the driver. Wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a Wi-Fi hotspot ensure that all passengers stay connected on the go. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Aviator, with a suite of advanced driver assistance features. Standard safety technologies include adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. The available 360-degree camera system provides a complete view of the surroundings, making parking and maneuvering easier. Additional features like evasive steering assist and reverse brake assist enhance driver confidence and overall security. The cargo space in the Aviator is generous, with a power-folding third row that expands storage capacity when needed. The hands-free power liftgate adds convenience, making loading and unloading easier. The Aviator is designed to offer practicality without compromising on luxury, making it a perfect choice for families and individuals who need both space and sophistication. Fuel efficiency varies depending on the chosen powertrain, with the plug-in hybrid option offering improved mileage and the ability to drive short distances on electric power alone. The standard twin-turbo V6 still provides a balance of power and efficiency, making it suitable for both city commuting and long-distance travel. For those looking for a more exclusive experience, the Black Label Edition offers unique interior themes, exclusive concierge services, and even more premium materials. This trim level takes luxury to the next level, catering to those who want the best in comfort and style. The 2025 Lincoln Aviator stands out as a luxury SUV that blends power, technology, and elegance seamlessly. Whether it's the smooth ride, the advanced safety features, or the high-end interior, the Aviator offers an exceptional driving experience. With its refined craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology, it remains a strong contender in the luxury SUV market. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more automotive content, in-depth reviews, and the latest updates on upcoming vehicles. Stay tuned for more exciting videos on the newest cars and SUVs.